Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. If you are an Xfinity customer experiencing internet issues, knowing how to restart or reset your modem or router is crucial for troubleshooting. So, here is a full updated guide on how to handle your Xfinity Wi-Fi connection, including restarting your modem, fixing common issues, and performing a factory reset. So, let's start with how to restart your Xfinity modem. This one is using the Xfinity website and your account. So you can restart your gateway through your Xfinity account online. And this is how to do that. Go to the website, just open your favorite browser. I'm inside here. Now type in xfinity.com. Go ahead and just sign in or log in with your Xfinity ID and password. I don't have an account, but in here, once you are logged in, you'll just go to devices section or something written manage internet and click on it. Look for an option like restart modem or restart gateway and click on it. You'll just now follow any on-screen prompts and confirm that you need to restart the modem. Another way to restart your Xfinity modem is to do it manually. This is a power cycle way. So this is a simple and effective method if you can physically access your gateway. So locate the power cord connected to your back of your Xfinity gateway and unplug it from the electrical outlet or power strip. This is an important note for battery backup. Some older Xfinity gateways have a battery backup. So if your lights stay on after unplugging, locate the battery compartment usually on the bottom or back, and remove the battery to ensure a complete power cycle. So wait for at least now 60 seconds or just one full minute. This allows the device's capacitors to fully discharge and its memory to also clear. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. If you removed a battery, reinsert it after plugging in the power cord. So allow the gateway some several minutes to fully power up and reconnect. The lights on the front of the gateway will blink and then typically turn solid white or green, indicating it's ready. Now let's learn how to reset your Xfinity router. This is a factory reset. A factory reset should be the last resort as it erases all custom settings. This process can take around 5 to 10 minutes, and we shall start by using the reset button, which is the common method. Just locate the button, find the small button on the back of your Xfinity gateway. It's usually a tiny hole. Some newer models might even use the WPS button for this function, or a larger button on the back or bottom. Use a paper clip or toothpick or similar pointed non-metallic object, especially if it's recessed, and just press and hold the reset button for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Do not release it until you see the lights on the gateway are flashed or turn off, indicating the reset process has begun. For some specific models like X36 or X7, holding the WPS button for 30 seconds may perform a factory reset. Now release the button and allow the gateway to fully restart. This will take some several minutes. Once the gateway is back online, you will need to reconnect all your devices using the default Wi-Fi name or SSID and password printed on the sticker of the gateway. Another way or another method to reset your router is through the gateway admin page. That is the web browser. Just ensure that your computer or phone is connected to your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. You might need to use the default Wi-Fi name if you are doing this after a previous issue. So once you have that, you have the connection right. Now open a web browser. I'm inside Google Chrome here. In the address bar, just type in something like HTTP, something like this. Or just look for this IP address on the back of your router or any sticker attached to your router. Enter it in here and click on enter. Now you'll need to enter your admin username and password. The default username is usually admin. The default password is typically password, which is the lowercase or high speed or QSadmin, something like that. So if you changed it, use your custom password which you used. And if you don't know it, the physical reset button is your best bet anyway. So once logged in, look for a section like troubleshooting or gateway at a glance or something like this. Now find the option written restore or reset gateway or even restore factory settings depending on the version you have, like this one here, and just click on it and follow any other on-screen prompts to confirm and initiate the factory reset. On this page you may see options like reset Wi-Fi module or reset Wi-Fi router, which perform a partial reset without affecting all settings, the way we have done in the first method. If you only want to reset Wi-Fi, just click on that. Now, this is how to fix some Xfinity Wi-Fi connection issues. These are some of the troubleshooting steps. Before jumping even to a reset, try these troubleshooting steps. First of all, check for outrages. Use the Xfinity app, go to Wi-Fi section, then troubleshoot or internet health, and then run a test. The app can detect any local outrages. So also check for cables or any connections. Ensure that all cables, that is power, coaxial, Ethernet, are securely plugged into the gateway and the wall outlets or devices. Try then coaxial cables. So sometimes the issue isn't the Wi-Fi but the device itself. Restart your computer, smartphone, tablet, or even your smart TV. Also disable and re-enable any Wi-Fi on your device. So if you're experiencing weak signals or dead zones, try moving also closer to your Xfinity gateway. Obstacles like walls, floors, and large appliances can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. If none of the above steps resolve your issue, it's time to contact Xfinity customer support. They can run remote diagnostics, check for network issues, and schedule a technician if necessary. And this is where you can get it. You can just connect them via phone, chat, or by scheduling a callback through the Xfinity app or website. This is where you can get it. You can see you actually chat with them right here and they will respond to you. So by following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve most common Xfinity internet and Wi-Fi connection issues. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.